Baby, come and talk to me.
To start off, I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyelid with the Tarth Shape tape in the color tan.
You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul.
For my transition shade, I am taking my bronzer in the color Mocha Mami and applying that to my crease and just slightly above my crease.
Yeah, baby, wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz.
Next, I am taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and using the color red, that red color in it, to also apply to my crease so that I can have a smoky blown out effect when I apply the red onto my lid.
I see, baby, cool with it, drowning in your love like a pool with it, way below the surface, bag in the things, yeah, you see the inner bag, never sweat, no.
Next, I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty lipstick as an eyeshadow base. This is the color Uncensored, and I'm just going to apply this to my eyelid, just patting this in all over my eyelid in the shape that I want it to. Now, the red that I put down before from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, it is not fully blended out, so I do see what you guys see. Trust me, I do see it. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and apply this, and we're using this for an eyeshadow base. This is going to make the red pop. This is going to give us that color and that pigment that we're looking for.
Classic R&B, talk to me.
Let me know what's on your mind. Let me hold you down, I promise. There's a future if you grind with me. Crazy and love like J&B. It feels good when you say my name. Made me wanna rock the boat. I ain't tryna float, I'm tryna drown, wanna go deep. Never been a scrub or a creep. Ain't no ordinary love. I peep, I keep it.
Going back into that Take Me to Brazil palette, we're going to go ahead and use that red eyeshadow again and then set the lipstick that we just put on there as our eyeshadow base. And we're just going to go ahead and set that because we don't want that product to move. And this is also going to add to the pigmentation.
Music for my soul, classic R&B, talk to me. Show the scene.
Now I'm just going back in with Mocha Mami just to go ahead and darken up that crease just a little bit. I could have went with a darker brown, but I didn't feel like going to go and get one. So we're just going to make the Mocha Mami work. So I'm just taking this on an Anastasia brush. It's one of the little brushes that come in her palettes, you know, yeah, you see it. So yeah, I'm just taking this and putting this back into my crease just to add back into my transition.
You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need a plan B, but to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Make me wanna sing. Yeah, make me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting.
Then I am taking the Fenty Diamond Balm in the color Cognac Candy, and I'm just taking this with my finger and also applying that to my lid. I'm not doing this in any particular way. I'm just applying it wherever it may fall, just so it could look like a loose shadow. And then we're going to take a clean, fluffy blending brush and then blend everything out. So this is going to give the smoky effect. So I told you guys to stay tuned for this part as we go ahead and blow out that red and make everything look seamless and even.
Baby, come and talk to me, walk with me, show them how it ought to be. Yeah, bring your love back like we ordered. Yeah, never seen a real, we gon' show
Baby, come and talk to me. Show the scene. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy.
So after I applied my lashes and my liner off camera, I am taking Tarth Shape tape in the color tan, and I'm using this as a highlighter because I want a very bright under eye, and I'm placing this directly under my eye to my inner corner.
R&B, talk to me.
Then directly under that Tarth Shape tape, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Deep Cinnamon. And this is going to help everything to blend seamlessly. And it's about a few shades darker than the Tarte Concealer.
Cause no one really gotta know what we got going on. I'm selfish, I want you all the time. All to myself, no mic jet, but you know the girl is mine.
Baby, come and talk to me. Show the scene. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic.
So I'm blending out that e.l.f. Camo Concealer first because I do not want that Tarth Shape Tape Concealer to move. I want it to be highlighted exactly where I have it, to have a bright under eye, and I don't want to make my entire face too bright. That can make it difficult to blend out later.
Yeah. Baby, come and talk to me. You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my favorite.
And next I'm just taking that same concealer by e.l.f. in the color Deep Cinnamon and just applying that to my chin, above my lip, and also down the bridge of my nose. This is also going to highlight those areas as well.
So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad. So won't you come and talk to me? You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B.
I see, baby, cool with it. Drowning in your love like a pool with it. Way below the surface, babe. In the things, yeah, you see the inner bag. Never sway, no. Baby, come and talk to me. Walk with me. Show them how it ought to be. Hey, yeah. Bring your love back like we ordered. Yeah, never seen a real, we gon' show
Baby,
them.
come and talk to me. You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song.
And next I'm just going to go ahead and take that e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Rich Ebony, and I'm going to use this as my contour shade. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag that around the apples of my cheeks, on my forehead, and I'm also going to outline my nose where I want that to be contoured. I'm sorry that some of these are blocked by my mirror, but I hope that you guys get the picture. If not, you can go and watch my last minute holiday video and you can see in detail, in depth, how I contour my nose and my face.
You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy.
And I'm just taking a fluffy shader brush to just start the blending of my nose contour. I do not fully blend out my nose just at this second, but you'll see what I do a little later in the video of how I get everything to blend.
Talk to me.
Next, I'm taking this NYX dual fiber brush and I'm just blending out the rest of my contour on my face with that, using circular and swiping motions to get that to blend.
Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need a plan B, about to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Make me wanna sing. Yeah, make me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't
And you just want to go over this with your beauty blender because this is going to help everything from the contour and the concealer to blend together so that everything is seamless, because you do not want any harsh lines.
You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song.
Now taking the tip of the beauty sponge where the concealer was blended out with, I'm going over my nose contour with that, and that's going to tone down the contour but also help to blend it out so that the concealer and the contour is perfectly blended and it doesn't have a really harsh line when you look at my nose contour.
Walk with me, show them how it ought to be. Hey, yeah, bring your love back like we ordered. Yeah, never seen a real, we gon' show them.
Baby, come and talk to me. You're the sea. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. You're the sea. Tryna show you.
To set my face, I'm just going to go ahead and take this Fenty Pro Filter powder in the color Banana. and I'm just setting everywhere where I highlighted, which is where I place concealer, so that this does not move and gives me a matte finish.
Crazy and look like J&B, it feels good when you say my name. Made me wanna rock the boat, I ain't tryna float, I'm tryna drown, wanna go deep. Never been a scrub or a creep, ain't no ordinary love. I peep, I keep it on the low, cause no one really gotta know what we got going on. I'm selfish, I want you all the time, all to myself, no mic jet, but you know the girl is mine.
Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC.
Next, I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up the face with Mocha Mami, which was previously mentioned, and I'm just going to take a fluffy dual fiber brush and just go ahead and apply that to the apples of my cheeks and everywhere where I applied my liquid contour. We're just going right over that with that.
Talk to me. Yeah. Baby, come and talk to me.
I'm gonna include this evil guy. And I'm just dusting off my setting powder, and I'm doing circular motions to also blend it in to my foundation. Do y'all see that? That is giving me airbrush tease, honey. I am loving that. Look at me talking shit.
That's Cupid, that's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia.
To set my entire face, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the color 420, and I'm just applying this everywhere on my face so that everything can tie together and everything can be blended. And I'm just going to go ahead and start to set my face with my NYX setting spray in my matte finish, honey. Yes, ma'am. To line my lips, I'm using the KKW Beauty lip liner in the color Nude 3.
Show them how it ought to be. Yeah, bring it love back like we order. Yeah, never seen a rip, we gon' show them.
Baby, come and talk to me.
And for lip gloss, I'm using this Juvias Place lip gloss in the color Yami. I love this lip gloss. As you guys can see, it is so delicious and it blends perfectly with the KK Beauty Nude 3 lip liner. It just gave this look like, and it has like specks of glitter in it. It has like an iridescent look. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty lip gloss, but baby, this is bomb. Then I'm just taking my MAC blush in the color Raisin something, and just using that same brush that I used to contour to apply my bronzer. I'm just going ahead and adding that blush to the apples of my cheeks. Alright ladies, so this completes this finished look. This is something that is so simple yet elegant for Valentine's Day. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. This is definitely beginner friendly. So go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, a like down below, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification because I have more videos like this coming. Thank you so much and have a good one.
Music for my soul, classic R&B, talk to